Hello Adobe Express users, want to add some personality to your text by using characters? Let's get creative and add unique characters to your design in just few taps. Let's go. First, open the Adobe Express app and either create a new project or choose an existing design you want to work on. Now, tap on the text tool and select add text or choose existing text that you want to enhance. Once your text is selected, look for the text editing toolbar at the top. To add a character, simply type it directly into the text box. You can use symbols, emojis, or special characters that match the vibe of your design. If you want to include more decorative or unique characters, you can also copy and paste them from character map on your device or online. After adding your character, adjust the font size, style, and color to fit the design. Your design is now full of personality with added characters, making it stand out even more. If certain characters are not showing up, make sure you are using font that supports them or try adjusting the spacing between characters for a more polished look. What's your favorite character to add to designs? Drop it in the comments below. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.